Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today we're going to build a simple servo control system using 2 buttons, an Arduino, and an LCD display. Let's get started. For this project you'll need an Arduino board, a servo motor, 2 push buttons, a 16 by 2 LCD display, a few jumper wires. We've connected the left button to pin 2 and the right button to pin 3 of the Arduino. The servo motor is connected to pin 6 and the LCD is wired up to pins 7 through 12. The servo starts at a neutral position. If the left button is pressed, the servo moves to the left and displays left on the LCD. If the right button is pressed, the servo moves to the right and displays right on the LCD. Now let's upload the code and see it in action. As you can see, pressing the left button moves the servo to the left, and pressing the right button moves it to the right. The LCD displays the direction of the servo's movement. And that's it. A simple way to control a servo motor using buttons and an LCD display. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more fun electronics projects. See you in the next video.